So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of questions right here on my form, and some of them are really tailored out. Let's say, for example, this question, it's tailored out right here. And let's say you want another question like this with an exact option right here. So if you want to create this from scratch, it will be time consuming. So all you need to do to duplicate this is to click on the duplicate button right here, and an exact copy of the same field right here gets included. You can click on duplicate option right here, duplicate, and you can see that the exact copy is made just like this. Another thing is that if you don't want the duplicated item right here, you can press the delete button right here, the dustbin like icon, and the duplicated card will be deleted over here. You can go around over here, duplicate this or delete it as per how you like, as you can see. So for this, let's say, for example, you want to enter your date of birth, and then here, if I want to duplicate it, I can go around and change the name as I want. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say enter the date and time when you started working. So you can go around right here and you can see right here. So these are the exact same fields, but they have different things right here. So you can just copy and paste it out, that is duplicate out the cards, and then you can name the question something else and get the same value. And that is how you can duplicate and delete out questions inside of Google Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.